Hello. My name is Shanice Monique McKenzie, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to be doing a quick video on how I created an avocado mask to put on my hair to achieve this beautiful look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. It's hair mask time. So the components that I have is this nourishing conditioner that has banana and bamboo extract for dry and damaged hair. I've also got with me my Black Jamaican castor oil man, as well as my argan oil. I've also got olive oil just in a separate bottle that I use for my hair treatments. And with me I've got onions as well as one avocado, as well as the mixer that I'm going to be using. Alright, so we're going to begin, and the first thing that I'm going to start off with is the onions. And onions provides extra sulfur to support long and thick hair, as well as preventing you from having hair loss. Next, I'm going to go to the avocado. Now, there's good benefits for avocado as it has a great source of biotin and minerals like potassium and magnesium, which seal the cuticle cells and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. Just forgive my brother in the background there. Next up, I'm going to start off with the argan oil, and I'm going to take about just a tablespoon of argan oil. And the argan oil strengthens your hair follicles and promotes cell production in its antioxidants. So next up, I'm actually going to be using the Black Jamaican castor oil. And if you know, you know. Castor oil is really good as it nourishes your scalp and strengthens your hair roots. This is a key component in any kind of hair mask that you do. So I'm just going to put another tablespoon of the castor oil. Excuse my brother there in the background again. And then I'm going to move on to the olive oil. Ooh, child. Olive oil has so many great benefits. It's rich in vitamin E, which makes your hair strong and prevents your hair from falling out. I used about 2 tablespoons of my olive oil because it just does the most. You've just got to have olive oil whenever you're doing hair masks or just trying to grow your hair. It's really good. And the last thing that I'm going to be using is that little nourishing conditioner package. Now, the key component that I did see there is banana and bamboo extract, but I know that banana is really good as it is rich in potassium and it has natural oils and carbs and vitamins which soften your hair and protects the natural hair's elasticity, which also prevents your hair from having split ends. Now, I know that banana is a really good key component as well if you're doing any kind of treatment on your hair, as well as just trying to make your hair soft. Banana is really good. So I'm just going to finish that package up right there. Put in is tea tree oil, and that has great wonderful benefits as well as it improves blood flow and allows nutrients to reach hair follicles and stimulates your hair growth, child. And we have our look, people. So you already saw, the last time you saw my hair, it was already in braids and it had the mask in it. And so what I did was that I washed it with just shampoo and with conditioner as well. And then I undid each braid and I actually blow dried each and every single braid. So please make sure that if you do want to blow out your hair, please make sure that you use heat protectant, or else child, you are gonna end up with a whole lot of breakage within your hair, meaning that you're gonna be going all the way to step one with trying to grow the same hair back. So this is the end. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment below. And I'll see you in the next video that I post. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.